So you're it. The team manager, the project planner, the problem solver. You do it all right within Jira. Assigning tasks? Piece of cake. Team progress? Almost done. The management? Couldn't be happier. Until BAM! A blocker. Uh-oh, one of your teammates still hasn't completed his work. Next thing you know, the rest of the teams are stuck. Projects get stalled and management is unhappy. Wondering how you ended up here? Well, it's because Jira has limited project visualization capabilities. No one knows how tasks and resources are related to one another and to the overall project. So it's pretty easy to lose track of things until it's too late. With so many people counting on you and so many issues to manage, you need a clear path to success. That's why the most innovative companies in the world use WBS Gantt-Chart for Jira. Using this powerful app, you can confidently visualize how it all adds up towards project completion. Easily break down complex projects into smaller tasks and set dependencies between them. Remember your teammate with that pending task? Well, he was swamped with work. With WBS Gantt-Chart for Jira, you'll never be surprised by overcommitted resources again. Whether you're new to Jira or an experienced user, you can do all this and more from an intuitive Microsoft project-like interface. See through your Jira projects the fastest way for teams of all sizes, no matter your deployment options. Visit our Atlassian Marketplace to learn more or to start your 30-day free trial.